Hi guys, welcome back. So I just got in the bargain bead box for August, and it is called Woodland Whimsy. Now I literally just got it in the mail, and so I'm gonna go through this and we're gonna take a look together. So it comes all nicely wrapped up. I know I've said this before, and it's greens. Ooh, I knew from the name Woodland it was going to be greens, but let's see what we've got. So, looks like we've got a lot of stuff, some gold findings. So let me see what I can find. So the first one we're going to have are these cute little charms. They're mushrooms and leaves and oops. So those would make maybe a cute pair of earrings, couple of pendants for necklaces. Those are adorable. And then we have two pieces, unakite and brass round links. Let's see what those look like. Okay. That would be these. So those are kind of pretty. Those could make necklace, be part of a bracelet. Then we have unakite hexagon round pendant. I'm loving the natural stones. This is just fabulous. Greens and oranges. Definitely a good August theme. All right. And then we have 15-inch strand 6mm autumn jasper rounds. And that's those. Those are very pretty. I use jasper a lot in some of my jewelry. It's got a lot of good variation, so it goes with a lot of things. Not really heard of autumn jasper before, but I like it. Next we have 10mm electroplated agate druzy round beads. Ooh, druzy. This is going to have some sparkle somewhere. Oh, yes. I don't know if you can see that. That is, I love those beads. Ooh, that one even more so. So those are nice. I wish there was more of those. I might have to buy some of those extra. We have 8x4 crystal faceted rondelle beads, opaque peach shimmer. And I have a bunny begging at my feet. Very pale color. But as you can see from the light hitting it, it's very sparkly. We then have 7mm leaf spacer beads, and I'm not going to take those out. They're just little leaf beads. Those are very cute. I already have an idea for those. We have 8mm crystal faceted drop beads, vermilion. So I'm going to take those out because I don't think you can actually see the depth of the sparkle. So this with the stone would make a great contrast. So sparkle and more of a matte stone. I think that'll go great with some gold too. We have 8mm unakite round beads, 15-inch strand. Get this open here. Very pretty. We have Autumn Jasper Pebble Bead 7.5-inch strand. Oh, and these are fun. These just look like little pebble stones. I can see earrings with those, maybe a bracelet. Those are going to be fun. And we can put some gold with that, sparkle those up. We have 8mm crystal faceted coin beads, olive shimmer. Oh yes, and those do shimmer. I mean, I don't know if the video really does it as the justice that this deserves. I know you can see some sparkle on the camera, but what you can see on the camera, it's twice as much as what I'm seeing. And they're faceted, so those are going to be fun to play with. Next we have gold-plated stainless steel filigree leaf drops, and there's 4 of those. And I'm going to take these out because they're all kind of put together, just so you can see the filigree. Oh, I wish there was more of those. I could see that being drops for earrings. Might have to get some more of those. Next we have gold-plated brass leaf toggle. I'm not going to take it out. So there's little leaves. I don't know if you can see that very well in there, but it has like a little variegated leaf motif, so that's pretty. Might actually do a toggle down close to the front of the neck so you can see that on a necklace. This one is 4mm crystal bicone beads in ivory champagne. Kind of two-toned color, so one side's brown-ish, the other side's kind of off-white ivory. And then we have 4x3 stainless steel curb chain gold 1 meter. You know, this chain's very versatile. Very nice. Basic chain, can go well with just about anything. And then lastly, we have a mushroom charm, 16.5 by 8mm. And that is just adorable. Don't know if you can see the little mushroom on its base. I can see that being a little pendant, little drop on something, and I have some ideas. So that's what we've got. And so this, it costs $20 a month. And approximate total retail value is $75.84. So, I mean, you can't beat that. And they list the prices on each of these. So when you're doing them, you get your estimated retail price so you can figure out how much your beads cost. So when you're making jewelry to sell, you can actually figure out the cost of each piece of jewelry and then price it accordingly. So, I'm loving this month's collection. I cannot wait to open this all up and start designing it. I've got a few more things to put away from reorganizing my craft room. Got some labels to do on the drawers. And I think tonight, after I'm done all of that, I am going to sit down with a bead board and we're going to make some jewelry. So, you'll probably get that next week, but yeah, I'm going to start playing with this. So, what do you think of this? Let me know in the comments, and thanks for watching.